Welcome to GlowFitGuide. Today, we're diving into the most effective exercises to reduce belly fat fast. If you're looking to trim your waistline and achieve those flat abs, you're in the right place. Get ready to sweat, burn calories, and target that stubborn belly fat with these powerful exercises. Let's jump right in. 1. Warm-up jump rope. Before we dive into our belly fat-busting exercises, we need to warm up. Grab a jump rope and do 2 minutes of jumping to get your heart rate up. This will help prepare your body for the workout ahead. Warming up is crucial as it increases your body temperature and blood flow to the muscles, reducing the risk of injury and enhancing performance. 2. Flutter kicks. First up, we have flutter kicks. Lie on your back with your hands under your glutes for support. Lift your legs slightly off the ground and flutter them up and down. This exercise targets the lower abs and helps in reducing belly fat. Aim for 3 sets of 30 seconds each. Flutter kicks are a great way to engage the lower abdominal muscles, which are often neglected in traditional ab exercises. 3. Leg raises. Next, we have leg raises. Lie flat on your back with your legs straight. Lift your legs to a 90-degree angle and then slowly lower them back down without touching the floor. This move is excellent for engaging the lower abs. Perform 3 sets of 15 reps. Leg raises not only help in toning the lower abs, but also improve your core strength and stability. 4. Bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches are another fantastic exercise for targeting belly fat. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head. Bring one knee towards your chest while twisting your opposite elbow towards it, then switch sides like you're pedaling a bicycle. Do 3 sets of 20 reps on each side. Bicycle crunches work the entire core, including the upper abs, lower abs, and obliques, making them highly effective for overall core conditioning. 5. Reverse crunches. Reverse crunches are great for working the lower abs and reducing belly fat. Lie on your back with your legs bent at 90 degrees. Use your lower abs to lift your hips off the floor and then slowly lower them back down. Aim for 3 sets of 15 reps. This exercise specifically targets the lower portion of your abs, helping to create a well-defined midsection. 6. Russian twists. Russian twists are perfect for targeting the obliques and reducing love handles. Sit on the floor with your knees bent, lean back slightly, and twist your torso from side to side while holding a weight or medicine ball. Do 3 sets of 20 twists on each side. Russian twists enhance rotational strength and core stability, which are essential for a balanced and toned midsection. 7. Plank to push up. Next, we have plank to push up. Start in a plank position with your forearms on the ground. Push up onto your hands and then lower back down. This full body exercise is great for strengthening your core and burning belly fat. Perform 3 sets of 10 reps. This dynamic move engages multiple muscle groups, including the chest, shoulders, and core, making it an efficient calorie-burning exercise. 8. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are an excellent full-body exercise that also targets your core. Get into a plank position and bring one knee towards your chest, then switch legs quickly as if you're running in place. Aim for 3 sets of 30 seconds each. Mountain climbers elevate your heart rate, making them an effective cardiovascular exercise that also works the abdominal muscles. 9. Vertical leg crunches. Vertical leg crunches are effective for working the upper and lower abs. Lie on your back and lift your legs straight up towards the ceiling. Crunch up towards your legs while keeping them straight. Do 3 sets of 15 reps. This exercise intensifies the standard crunch by engaging the lower abs and challenging your core stability. 10. Toe touches. Toe touches are great for targeting the upper abs. Lie on your back with your legs straight up in the air. Reach your hands towards your toes, lifting your shoulders off the ground. Perform 3 sets of 15 reps. Toe touches enhance the contraction of the upper abdominal muscles, helping to tone and define the upper part of your core, cool down, and stretching. After completing these intense exercises, it's important to cool down and stretch. Spend at least 5–10 minutes doing gentle stretches, focusing on your core and lower back. Stretching helps improve flexibility, reduce muscle soreness, and enhance recovery. Incorporate stretches like the cobra pose, child's pose, and spinal twists to relax and lengthen your muscles. Conclusion. And there you have it, a powerful set of exercises to help reduce belly fat fast. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate these exercises into your regular routine. Don't forget to combine your workouts with a healthy diet for the best results. Thanks for joining us on GlowFitGuide. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health and fitness tips. Stay active, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.